Time is 8:34. Robert Toss, what's going on? Welcome to my live. IDK, what's up, man? How y'all doing today? It's a Saturday, 8:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Keeping it clean. How's it going? Welcome to my live. I'm currently checking out Bitcoin. It's pretty flat right now. I figured I'd just jump on here for a little while, just see what was going on with the market. It's not doing a whole lot. Ethereum looks like it's trying to maybe climb up here, maybe a little bit. Bitcoin's under the 20. Looks like it might be still trying to drop. There's a lot of news coming out saying maybe tomorrow, Monday, that Bitcoin, all that crypto is going to drop. So we'll see what happens with that. But just kind of keeping an eye on the pulse. See how things are moving along. I'll probably check it throughout the day and then early tomorrow morning as well. Maybe catch a ride down if this is the case, and see how it goes. I mean, right now on 5-minute time frame, it is showing Bitcoin is trending downwards. So just crawling right now, but so we'll see what it does. Oops. Yeah, 15 minutes under the 20. 1 hour's under the 20. 4 hours under the 20. So definitely, we do have the PSAR on the bottom and for indication on 4 hour showing a longer trend, but we will see how it goes. Hey, Topwater, what's going on? Moonbase, what's up? Paul Cameron, how's it going? Mushroom Head, what's up? Yeah, just not a lot of movement right now. Of course, I said it is the weekend. I am watching Ethereum as well. I am in profit on that in a sell position at the moment. So we'll see what that's going to do. I just put a really low bid in on Ethereum and just going to see if that rides down. Nothing's really going to affect my account, but it does kind of let me know how it's moving here. So we will see how that goes. As part of my trading strategy here, I use the range bars. That's what you're seeing up top here. My thing working? It moves off points, not time. And so the only move in the market is moving. For a HVAC plumbing, from everything that I've seen so far on TikToks and news and whatnot, they seem to think, especially Monday, that crypto is going to drop. So I would expect a short come Monday morning for sure. But again, that's just what the news I'm hearing. So we'll see. I'm not sure completely myself. If I pull back, let's see, that's 4 hour. That's definitely showing a drop. Everything on the 4 hour on Bitcoin is showing a short. The 20 is going, the 50, the 20, my PSAR is all showing a short. So I'm pretty sure that's just where it's going to go. I mean, that's what everything's showing me. So I don't expect it just to spike out of nowhere. Even if it does spike some, it's still going to, that could just be a pullback, and then we're just going to keep going show. Right. So it probably is. It's probably going to go short. So your best bet, honestly, if you're putting anything, is probably just to write it down. But if anything, if you do put a buy position in for going short, I would put in a stop loss, just in case. I always talk about risk management on my page here. And you want to protect your account just in case it goes the wrong way. Especially if you have a lot of high capital in it, It's just super important. You work too hard for your money and you don't want to just throw it all away. So protect it just in case it goes the wrong way. If you have a tight stop loss and it goes the wrong way, so what? Big deal. You lost a trade, biggie. But you don't want to throw it all into one trade and lose it all. So, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I saw a guy just the other day. He lost his whole account um, when Bitcoin just did one of its drops. And he burned his whole entire thing because he didn't have a stop loss in place at all. And I'm like, why? If you're going to risk your whole account, possibly, then put a stop loss in place. Maybe lose a quarter of it if you're wanting to gamble that much, but don't burn your whole thing. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous. So, I mean, I'm just trading a really, really small amount here and like super small on Ethereum. It doesn't even matter, but I still put a stop loss in place just because there's still a certain amount like I don't want to lose past. So, I mean, we'll end up seeing what it does. But right now, yeah, definitely put a stop loss in place. Thanks for following me, HVAC. Do appreciate that. Yeah, thanks for all the likes, you guys. Absolutely appreciate that. And I do try to get that thing over 1,000 likes. It does help out my algorithm. Yeah, percentage is percentage. It doesn't really matter, right? Win's a win, honestly. It does take time, does take patience. If there's anything I've learned about it is having patience and just waiting and wait for those moves. Trying to rush it just doesn't benefit you. So looks like Bitcoin is trying to push up here. I do have a mark set for, what was that, 20333. Right now, that is its higher high at the moment. So we'll see if it's going to try and break it. But that's what I have set right now on. I'm using TradingView. There's another one of my indicators that I use for what I'm doing. Bitcoin going to 1,000? Do you really think it's going to go to 1,000? No freaking way. Yeah. Yeah. You'll lose money if you FOMO. I've lost money because of FOMOing, and trying to control that takes a little bit because I've definitely FOMO'd plenty of times, and that's all that emotion, right? Trying to stay out of emotion and just watching what the numbers say, and that's it. That's a math game. It's not emotional. Numbers aren't emotional. Numbers are just numbers. Yeah. Well, you can think it's going to go to 1,000. I honestly don't think it's ever going to freaking happen. Not with what they've said. They're saying like what 2030 or something. They think it's going to go up to like 500,000. How would you to go from 1,000 to 500,000 in just a few years? No way. Yeah, technicals are the way to go. It's not emotional. It either gets those lines or it doesn't, and it's going to bounce off of them or break through them. That's it. There's no emotion in that. Oh, hey Bryce, welcome back, man. Oh, it stopped out. That sucks, dude. Well, I told you it look like it was gonna keep dropping. And I'm just going off of what I was seeing, right? Let's see. Yep. It's gonna retest from what it looks like too. It's gonna retest all the way down to, let's see, that's next one, 68.23, and then 6554 is its next laid down. I mean, it's going straight down. It couldn't bounce back maybe from this, but we'll see. But yeah, right now, dude, it's just dropping. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe 12. I think maybe 12. They're saying 15, 12 to 15, and even that I think is really still pushing it. But 1,000, you're freaking out of your mind. Yeah, everything for YFI, all across my time frames are all just short, dropping on this. Honestly, I could probably short the crap out of this and just write it down. I don't have a I don't have a platform in order to trade like YFI. Bryce, what are you using for your platform? Can I short on my platform? Yeah, 100%, dude. Yep, you sure can. And there's no PDT rule either because it's not in the United States. This looks like this is going to try and break this higher high here on Bitcoin. Oh, on Coinbase. Oh, okay. Wealthy and winning. Thanks for the follow, dude. Appreciate you. Hey, thanks you guys for getting me over 1,000. Appreciate that. Yeah, a cash account's the only way to go if you're under 25,000, right? If you go onto TradeXN though, there's no PDT rule at all. You can trade all you want, and it's got crypto stocks, forex, and indices. There's a ton of different stuff that you can trade. Hey, Mushroom Head, what's going on? It's like I said, it is offshore though, so always do your due diligence when you're investing any kind of capital into anything, and then make that decision for yourself on what kind of risks and all that you want to do. You know, I've been using TradeXN since October 2022. I've had zero issues with them. I'm always able to take my money off, put it back on. I've talked to support multiple times just to see what's up, and they always get back with me. So. Hey, AJ, what's going on? Are we ripping next week after that crazy sale off last week? They're still talking about it dropping, especially come Monday. Honestly, so I would say I would expect it to keep dropping. And that's just going off the news that I'm seeing. So I'm just regurgitating what others have said. But do your own DD, for sure, when you're going to trade. LTC USD, yeah, that's moving up right now. It just broke its higher high, and next one is quite a ways up. Yep. Next one. Yeah, that'd be a good one to jump into. Those are all sky blue. Um, yeah, that's moving right now. Actually, I could probably catch. I should probably jump in on that right now. Honestly. Let's see. What's the? I always dull my screen. 145. Oh, nice. Yeah, let's put a what was that? 69.52. Thanks for the heads up. 69.52. Oops. What? Yeah, right there. Let's see. Wow. Everybody's blowing up my thing right now. It's crazy. Reminds me of 2008 crash after Washington Mutual had their bank run. Yeah, later bought by Morgan. Yeah. Uncontrolled inflation by feds and Powell's. Yep. Rags to riches, welfares to millionaires, food stamps to Lambos. Yeah, no shit, right? Hope BTC goes up. We will see. Like I said, it looks like Monday it's supposed to crash, but we'll see. LTC is not to rely on Bitcoin. That's good to know. Yeah, Bitcoin's all over the place. People are trying to figure out what to do because of all the news that keeps coming out. So, like I said, if it does drop, it's fine because I'm just going to watch my trade. I'll put my stop losses in, and if it does drop on Monday morning, then I'm going to ride that sucker down. I don't really care. I mean, me and AJ talked about that just the other day. We can ride it short, and we can ride it all the way down, or we can ride it long. On TradeXN, we can go both ways. So definitely the benefit of using TradeXN because you can short. A lot of other brokers don't let you do that, but TradeXN does, and it has no fees and low spreads. So definitely just one of the benefits for sure. Also, if you use TradeXN as well, they do have a affiliate link that you get as well if you use it, and then if other people use your link, then you benefit from it. So just one of the other little perks that it has. If you want to check out TradeXN, please use the link in my bio. Again, because it does help me out. And then I'm using range bars as well as part of my trading strategy. Let's see, LTC's in the top right corner right here. So that's showing that little downtrend, and now we're getting that green bar. So that says we should be doing an uptrend here. So we'll see how that plays out. Hey Bryce, come on over to TradeXN then, because you have. Well, there's no trailing stops on TradeXN either. I wish there was. That would be nice. But you can put stop losses in place and your target prices in place, and that's how I manage my risk management. I do have to type it in, or use the plus or minus button to move it. But I wish they did have a trailing stop loss. That would really be beneficial if they did. I need to hit up their support and actually ask that question, see if they're ever going to implement that, because that would be really nice to have for sure. I do use TradingView as well. Like I said, it's part of my trading strategy. And with them, they have it's free to use, but when you are in a buy, they do have that option for moving your buy stops and stuff. Here, I'll go in just to show you because this doesn't cost me anything. So I put a buy in place, and then you get your target price and your stop loss here, and I can just move this down and put it in. And now my stop loss is there. I got my target price, and I can just move them really quick. It's freaking awesome. I wish that we could do that on TradeXN. It would be great. These do have TradingView. Does have brokers. Oops. What am I looking for here? It's not what I want. I want this. Oh, you can't see that there. Yeah. So if you go on here under paper, you go out and log out paper trading. So it has all these different brokers. You can do futures. You can do stocks, forex, indices, all that kind of stuff, and you can pick one that works. And then it works directly with TradingView, so it's pretty cool. Let's see all the brokers they have. A lot, their brokers are growing slowly over time. The ones that you can use. So you just have to sign up. Binance is on here also. But of course, for the US, Binance is going away, so they need to turn this into US based Binance. And that would be usable on here. But I just do paper trading just to test out stuff since it doesn't cost anything. That's how that works. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. So it doesn't cost anything. If you can't use the link in my bio, because they do have subscriptions. If you want to go farther than like three indicators that you can pay for every month, it's like $16 a month or something. It's cheap. But if you do sign up and you use my link, it does benefit me for my subscription. So that'd be really cool if you did use that link. Hey, little Dave, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Hey, thanks you guys for getting those likes up. That's awesome. 2.5. That's great. You always laugh, I go on TikToks, and I see these guys. One guy looked like the Burger King guy or whatever, had gold teeth, and he was wearing a crown, and he's always telling but everybody, I'm not the Burger King, I'm not the Burger King. And this guy's got like freaking, I don't know, hundreds of viewers watching him, right? And he's got his likes like 50,000, 100,000 likes, and I'm like, you're an idiot, and you're getting all these viewers and all these people in here, and I'm like, you're not even doing anything. What is the deal? But people are watching him. And I'm in here doing trading, teaching people risk management. We're learning stuff together, actually being beneficial to help us financially. And then these guys are making money being dumb as crap. I just don't understand people's thought process at all. I mean, I guess that's why there's not there's not tons of rich people, because most they're not looking at their financials at all. They want to be entertained. That's more important to them, which I think is something else, but whatever. It's part of being an adult. Let's see, I'm gonna move this down. But that's why the rich stay rich and the poor stay poor, right? Let's see, what's Bitcoin doing? Yep. Oh no, looks like LTC is tracking with Bitcoin, man. I mean, pretty close. They're both dipping together here, and they both popped up and came right back down to the same bar. I have Bitcoin or LTC on top and Bitcoin on the bottom, and they look pretty close. So I think they do track with them. 30 Day, what's going on? Thanks for joining. Cargo, what's up? UCSB, what's happening, man? Let's see, what's Bitcoin? Ethereum. I'm in a... Yeah, okay, I got buy stop in there. I got... Yeah, Ethereum I'm shorting right now. Just to see what it's going to do. I guess it pulled back a little bit. Yeah, looks like it's probably going to maybe head back down, but we will see what's going to do here. Lost all my freaking... I really, really hate that this... If I go more than 3 out, it drops all my indicators. Again, that's why I really like... I wish TradingView worked with better brokers, because I would definitely use them for sure. They're very, very easy to use. And then all your history stays all the time, no matter what. I always am looking for the 20 and the 200 EMAs as part of my trading strategy. It really makes a big difference. LTC just went into a trade for me here on TradingView. Going long position on that. Yeah, their charts are absolutely freaking amazing. Staying buy on LTC. This coin is going to pump so hard when it does. Yeah, I do have that buy in place just in case. Here, if it breaks that higher high, then yeah, then it'll go up. Oh, what just took off? What? Oh, LTC. I just jumped into a trade on LTC right now. All right, so let's get a stop loss in place here just in case. I'm gonna give it some breathing room here. Do $5 stop loss. So I said, just in case, you always want to protect your accounts. Just in case it does go the wrong way, I don't have to worry about it burning. In case some crazy, I don't know, bank manipulation comes out. And we'll see what this does right now. We all crazy. I don't know about crazy until I put stop loss in place. I'm being financially using risk management by putting a stop loss there. I'm not crazy enough to, well, I'm not gonna say I'm not crazy enough to burn my account because I've not used a stop loss or I've over leveraged and I've burned my accounts. So it's a good idea to always use stop losses all the time. Yep. It's like, what point do you learn, right? Like, okay, I'm not risking it anymore. Hey, John 575, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Currently in a trade right now with LTC USD. I did have my spread came up and hit it and kicked on my signal here. So now we're gonna see what this thing does. I do have a stop loss in place just in case. But right at the moment, I don't see why this won't continue up. It does look like there's a little bit of resistance here on top, but we'll see. I went to sleep on open trades. Yeah, ouch. Like I said, you got to put that stop loss in place just in case you do fall asleep, or the power goes out, or there's an emergency, or I don't know, plane falls out of the sky. I don't know. You got to have freaking a stop loss in place. Yeah, or if you do fall asleep, then that's the easiest one. You know how easy it is to be watching this stuff and just pass out. I've done that, or I've had my kids say something, and I got to get up and walk away and totally forget that I was in a trade. And I come back, oh yeah, crap, and I've lost money or whatever. So it's like, it's a good idea, again, to put a stop loss in place and protect your account, just in case. Let's see, 1 minute time frame. So I'm in profit, so I can go eat. All right, and then positive. So I'm gonna go on this one there. So that's how easy that is. It's why I absolutely love TradingView. I moved up my stop loss. It's in profit. Even if it comes back down, I made something. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, and 30-minute are all sky blue on my indicator, saying this is just going to keep going up. So yeah, I am in profit on LTC right now. Or I was for a second. Come on, go back up. And then I'll put my stop loss in higher and get me into profit, even if it comes back down. I would have made profit out of it. So let's see what it's going to do. It does need a little bit of breathing room, so I'm going to let it move. But yeah, right now it's trying to break through that higher high that we had. Yeah, because the next higher high is, yeah, we need to break this past one. If we scroll all the way, over here. No, pull back down. Damn, come on. Well, it bounced off that higher high. I didn't like that. So it's going to push back down now. Can I trade on TradingView? Yeah, you can. You most certainly can. That's what I was showing you. If I pull this up, if I go back out here. So all these are different brokers, depending on what it is that you're wanting to trade. Here. You can go to broker trade, see made to trade. Decline offer. Wait, what is this? Get a month for $1. Oh, hell yeah. Dude, you might want to jump on this. Just check it out. It's like, let me see. This is like $1. It is. Holy shit. Excuse my language. Dude, check this out. This is $1 right now. Go spend $1. I'm dead freaking serious. Go spend $1 and get one of these. Probably do like the Pro Plus. And check out all the features that it has. I mean, you're not gonna. That's awesome. Actually, I think for you, if you've never used it before, it's free. It's free for a month. So you can do it for free and have all these indicators and all that. It doesn't cost you anything. I've done the free upgrade, the free trial before, and it cost me. It cost me. Well, it was free for my first month. Now it's gonna cost me $1 because I've already used it. And then depending on what system you get. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna go up to last time I did Pro. I'm gonna do Pro Plus. I gotta make sure I set my phone on this though. April 11th. April 11th. Come on. Complete. Oh, I authorize it. Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta put this in my phone. I'll be right back. Alright, cool, I'm back. No, that was awesome. That was my freaking I get another month for $1. That's totally kick ass. That was exciting and glad I showed you that. Just for me, because now I have all those other indicators and stuff I can put on here. Okay, cool. Yeah, that was freaking awesome. J Robos, what's going on? I am using TradeXN is the name of my platform. That's down on the bottom here. It is what I trade with. And then I use up top here, I use TradingView as part of my risk, part of my trading strategy. I don't know, LTC is being a jerk right now. It's like pulling back on me. I thought it was going to freaking keep going up. It might, though. I'm going to see if it ends up hitting my stop loss. I have it set for $5. Lord Gaming 5555, what's going on? Welcome to my live. What's the lowest you can trade with? I deposited $5 and it won't let me trade. Hell, $5? What are you going to do with $5? What kind of money do you think you're going to make off $5? I ain't trying to be a jerk, but Jesus. If you want to make sure that it works just by sending money across, that's fine. But trying to trade on it? Well, no, I know, but $5, don't. Dude, come on. $5 isn't gonna get you anything. Do freaking $50 or something. $5. Are you gonna trade a penny? Or you're gonna try and risk a whole freaking. You're gonna try to blow your whole $5 on a trade because you would have to try to even do anything. Yeah, it's like $20 minimum if you want to trade anything. And even at $20, you're gonna end up trading like Ethereum or something, or it's minimal. I mean, it's gonna limit you on so much because most of it you can't trade off $5. Jesus, yeah, what's the point? You're Hey, Supersize, what's going on? Right, there's people have thousands in. My buddy's got freaking what's he up to? 200,000, almost $200,000 in it. You're worried about $5? The hell out of here. That's not even trading. I don't know what you would actually risk if you started trading if you're worried about $5. No, I understand it being a new website, and it's smart to put your money in to test it, just like the back and forth. I get that for sure, 100%. Test it out, make sure your transactions work. Totally cool. I get it. But yeah, if you're going to try and trade, you have to put more in. Absolutely. Minimum, I would say, of $100, honestly. And even that's freaking low as crap. I mean, that's what I'm trading with, but it's not a lot. If I really want to make some major money on it, I have to risk my whole account like every trade. Yeah, you can do one penny. You can practice, and I've told people that too. You can practice with pennies, but you've got to put in a decent amount to actually trade with. And two, the higher it is, the lower your risk is when you're trading, as well. So that is why I always say that too. So it's test me 42 trade XN TRADEXN. MJ, what's going on? Yeah, absolutely. Ask questions away. I'm currently trading LTC right now. It freaking was going up, pushed back against that higher high. I should have had my buying just a little bit higher than I did. I got to learn to keep that up more, and I pulled back. Yeah, MJ, what do you got? Man, I think I'm gonna get stopped out on this. Come on. Baruch Moonstone, what's going on? Welcome to my live, you guys. Thanks for all the likes. I really do appreciate that. If you invest $500 in something and it goes down, does that mean that when it goes back up, you get that back? If you hold on to it and it doesn't go so far to knock you out, then yeah, it's like if you're trading stocks. Like I have an account in stocks, and it's down like $10,000. If it comes back, I'll make all my money back. But yeah, you'll make your money back if you hold on to it. It depends on what you're trading. If I'm trading, like if on here, if I have like $100 on here, if I over leverage that and it goes less than $100 of what my capital is, then I'll lose it. It'll go away. It just depends on what you're trading or what kind of platform you're trading on or whatever. Like, because I use Fidelity.com and I have stocks in that. And so that one's in the negative. And it will stay there. As long as I hold on to it and don't sell my shares, then it can come back and I can make my money back. On like TradeXN, it goes off of what you have. And if it goes under what your capital is, you'll lose all of it. All right, looks like LTC is headed back up. Yeah, as far as Coinbase goes, I'm not quite sure how they. Well, yeah, I'm not sure how they work on as far as that goes. If it will go negative for you or not. So I would ask that broker because I'm not 100% sure on Coinbase. Yeah, right. So if you have it on a ledger, you're the one that has it, right? So you can't. Nobody can take it away from you. It's on your ledger. That's just what it's worth. So if it's worth, nothing, then that's all it's going to be worth. Definitely put it on the ledger. I don't know if you have one yet. I do have a ledger myself. I'm waiting on my affiliate link from my ledger, and I will have it in my Discord here very, very soon. I would give you that one to use. I like it a lot. I have had zero problems with it. But I don't have the link yet, and I will put that out as soon as the company gets back with me. Oh no, it's very good idea to put it on the ledger right away. Because it's called, so you have the keys to the kingdom. Your keys controls your crypto. If you leave it on a platform and the platform goes away like FTX did, those people lost it. It's all gone. You've put that sucker on the ledger right away. And that's where you want to keep it. I have crypto I don't want to lose. I don't want anybody taking it. It's all on the ledger. I mean, you're probably fine for the moment, but definitely something you want to look into. Don't panic about it, but go find a reputable ledger. Here, I'll be right back. Hold on a second. All right, sorry I'm back. I wanted to show you this if you're still there. So this is what I use here. It's called Arculus. So it's just a little keypad, and this it goes to the back of my phone, right? And then I then punch in my code, and then everything comes up on it. So there's nothing I got to plug into a computer. I don't have to worry about it frying anything. It's pretty badass. I will have a link to that very, very soon. For my affiliate link. So, it's really cool, man. Seriously. Yeah, definitely get a hot wallet. What did you miss? Super size? Oh, what did I just show? Oh, here. So this is my ledger. Not my ledger. What did I just say? My, yeah, ledger. Right? Is that what I think that's what I'm thinking. My, my freaking brain. Yeah, ledger. This is my ledger. Okay, here, I'll show it again. So Arculus, it looks like a credit card, but it's cold wallet, right? Um, so what you end up doing is you just end up tapping it to the back of your phone, and I put in my code, and then it opens up my site that has all of my crypto. So it's all protected. So it's cold storage, but I don't have to plug anything in. Test me the name of uh, the the broker that I'm using right now down here on the bottom is TradeXN. I have a link in the bio. Test me if you can. Please use the link in my bio. It does help me out. Hey Jeanette, what's going on? Yeah, totally cool. Yeah, yeah. Except, yeah, please just use my link. And then I will have for Arculus, I will have a affiliate link here. Hopefully in just a few days. Hopefully Monday, they'll finally give it to me. And then I'll have the link for that. But yeah, cold storage definitely a good way to go, especially right now with the uncertainty of kind of what's going on with the market. That one was, I think it was $45 for me. I had I'm previous military, so I had a military discount on it. I don't remember the cost outside, but I'm pretty sure it was $45 for me. A lot of them are like $99. I think it was 75 normally or something, and I got it for like 45 because of my military. I wish I could show you guys all that. There's a lot of coins on there. You can look it up. Here, let's go to. I'll just show you. That's not it. Why did it do that? Hold on. Uh, I don't remember if it shows. I thought there. Well, I know there is, but. Let's see. I thought there. Oh, how many shares can it hold per? I don't. Uh, I don't remember. I know there was. I know there's a thing that shows all the ones that they have. I don't remember how much it holds though, honestly. Oh, how many? Oh, yeah, I can show you. I'm trying to find how many coins. I know there's a list. Like when I wanted to look at it before I bought it. Maybe it's under facts. Yeah, here we go. Let's see. It's one wallet. Let's see. The Arceus Key card can hold and manage multiple accounts on different cryptocurrencies. Supports USD. Let's see, where is there? Man, I cannot find it. Let's see. I thought it just says a large number, but I did pull it up before of how many there was. But yeah, you have like 12-word recovery phrase keys and all that kind of stuff that's part of this. Man, I do not remember. Where is it at? Hey, Crypto Knight, cool. You use Arculus too? Yeah, I like it a lot. It's really cool. It's easy to use for sure. I'm trying to find where it says how many or what cryptocurrencies they currently support. They do NFTs also. Man, I know it's in here somewhere. Oh, well, I could Google it, yeah. What the hell? Let's see, Google. Yeah. How many cryptos does let's see. I'm not getting a direct answer off of it. I know there's a page. 'Cause I remember seeing it on which cryptocurrencies they have. Oh, that other one was pretty much there though. Let me go back. I mean, there's a lot. There's a lot. It doesn't give me an exact number, but as you can see, there is a lot on here. I mean, they could do more, but they do XRP. In case you were curious about that. Shibu, Poly, all the big names, of course, Ethereum. So I don't know, a good handful. It's enough that I definitely like them. Anyway, that's my spiel on Arculus. Looks like LTC is being stupid. Anyway, yeah, I'll have an affiliate link here pretty soon. For Arculus. Oops. Yeah, LTC. Yeah, 5 minute. Yeah, I'm watching. Well, I'm in a trade right now with LTC. Long position right now. It did just flip. Uh, it just the PSAR just flipped on a 5 minute time frame on LTC. So we'll see what this ends up doing. Since I'm in a long position right now. Range bars are showing that maybe it's going to continue back up, but we'll see what it does. Everybody, thanks for the likes. 2.9 thousand. That's awesome. Do appreciate that. Currently, excuse me. Currently trading on TradeXN. I'm trading LTC USD long position. Thought it was going to break through its higher high, bounced off and continued back down. So we'll see. I'm probably going to get knocked out of this trade. It's kind of a bummer. Jerry Hamilton, how's it going? Welcome to my live. Oh, cool. Yeah, I have money on Uphold too. I do have crypto there as well. So I have a lot of it on my Arculus. But I am doing staking on Uphold as well. I don't know if you've done any staking with it. The staking's pretty cool because you make money on it every single week. I don't know if you know that or not. On certain ones that you can do staking with. Uh, yeah, BPAC. Yeah, I'm trading LTC USD. I'm in a long position right now. But yeah, I'm trading LTC. Hey, MJ, are you doing staking on Uphold? Which one is the easiest to use? What do you mean? For anybody that's new on my site here, I am using TradeXN for my broker, and then up top is part of my trading strategy. I'm using range bars. These move off points, not time. And what you're always looking for when you look at these is from going from like green to red or red to green. You're trying to catch these reversals. Each bar is worth 15 points. And they only move when the market moves because they move off points, not time. And these are free to use. They don't cost anything. You can get them by going to the link in my bio. And you'll see FCT range bars. You don't have to download anything. They're just on a streaming server. But you can get them. They have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. I use them just like TradingView. TradingView doesn't cost me anything either. I did just get a month free, actually, just a little bit ago, for $1. So I'm using them for free. It has a whole bunch of indicators and stuff I can use for the month, for $1. So if you're brand new to it, it doesn't cost you anything. You get 30 days for free. Then there's a subscription after that, but I already used my subscription, so now it's $1. So I'm going to use that for another month because you can't beat $1. Looks like LTC is pushing back up again. That's awesome. Oh, yeah, you gotta learn how to use your wallets so you don't lose your money, yeah. So I lost all my money and was never getting it back. I'm gonna just keep investing while I can until 2025 and get a ledger. Yeah. Yeah, BPAC. If you can teach us your strategy, if it is profitable, bro. Yeah, I can teach you my strategy. I heard there are apps and websites that allow you to use other people's money for trading. Yeah, there are. You have to take a test, um, in order to do that. So you have to beat their test, and then they will fund your account. But you have to do it within a certain amount of time limit. Too, so there's a lot of pressures because they want you to have so many trades, winnable trades or whatever within that point. So definitely look into it. But is again something that can be really, really stressful. Somebody did give me, what did I do with it? I know I wrote it down. I write so much stuff down. They gave me the name of one of them. Was it on this paper? No. I had a paper. I did have the name of it. I just something I didn't really, really care about right now. But yeah, it's definitely something you can do. Entry at 67.85. Is that where you got in at? 67.85? Yeah, so there's a few of them. If I find the paper, if you're following me and you come back on, I'll let you know as soon as I find it. That somebody gave me because it didn't cost anything. Like you can do the test for free. I don't know if it was Koifin. I don't think it is. I'm gonna look it up real quick. I don't think this was it. Koifin. What was that? That's stock analysis. No, that wasn't it. So that was your first one. Close out a couple now and have two open on LTC, two on BTC. Cool. So when I'm trading, you guys, one I'm trading on TradeXN. Has no fees and a low spread, so that's why I use this broker. Okay, because it saves my capital, so I don't lose it on every single trade. That number one is my benefit. Number two, has crypto stocks, forex, and indices. So that's the next why I use TradeXN. Part of my trading strategy, which I don't have them all up because I keep moving around, is the moving average. So I use the 20 EMA, which I'm going to get up here. I need to anyway. And I do, for that one, I do white. I do the 20 EMA, or the 200 EMA. And I do that one in yellow. Easier for you guys to see. And then I do the 50 EMA as well. That's just part of my strategy that I use to see which way the market is going here. So right now it's showing, right, with those that the PSAR is showing downtrending, and that shows the movement of the market. But everything is sitting on top of the 200, so I'm going to say this is going to keep going up. But then I use the range bars as well. This is the other part of my trading strategy. So right now, I have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices here on these range bars. They don't cost anything. They are free to use. They're in the link in my bio. But when you're using these as part of your strategy, what you're looking for are reversals. So from red to green here is a reversal or a pullback, depending on what the market's doing. So LTC's in the top right corner right now, right? It's kind of been bouncing sideways. It did just reverse back again to green. And so it's uptrending. If you can see here on my right, it is going up right now. So I do expect the PSAR to flip again, and then it'll be on the bottom, which means we're uptrending. That's what you're looking for. I mean, that's really part of my strategy. What capital is best to open an account? I have been starting with $50 and it didn't work. There he goes, mushroom again. What capital is best to open an account? It really depends on what you're trying to do, honestly. If you're trying to make this a full-time job, then it takes, a couple of grand to make it a full-time grant. You're talking 10 grand, 20 grand, 50 grand, to where your risk management is very, very small. So you're trading like less than 1% of your account every trade. You need capital to make really good moves, but that is how you can make money every month so you don't have to quit. You don't have to work anymore. But as far as just starting out, I mean, you can start practicing with a small amount. $50, you can. You're only going to trade pennies, right? And you can still use 1% of your account, but you're only trading pennies. That can get kind of frustrating because you're really not making any money. Now, you can learn from it. I'm not saying not to, for sure. But definitely, you just want to put stop losses in place and use 1 to 2% of your account when you're trading. That's what I do here. I can make multiple trades and I'm not blowing it all on one trade. So, like for me right now, I have a stop loss in place of $5. That was my limit. I'm not going to lose more than 5 on this trade. So it's gone up and down a little bit. It's heading back north, so I'm probably going to make some profit off of this. But you just start small. Let's see, a few years ago, I lost a couple hundred because when it went down, I pulled out the rest of my money. Oh, yeah. You're down like 20 grand. Wow. Yeah, you can turn 50 into 500 if you do it correctly, but you have to know your risk management and how much you're going to risk. I got scared and didn't realize this is something that's 4 years for one full cycle. Yep. What is going with you, US 30? Oh, no, I'd have to look. Yeah, you have to be patient. Okay, patient is the name of this game. Hey, we are in profit, you guys, on LTC USD. That's what we were waiting for. As you can see here, the range bars are moving up. Right, it is tracking and moves off points, not time. So right now it is moving with the market. The PSAR did just flip, so it's back on the bottom again, saying that we are trending in an uptrend. So we're just going to let this run right now. We've got a buy now on Bitcoin as well. Buy now BTC. That is, again, part of the audio of this using the range bars. There's 70 plus indicators built into these. And that's what gives you that audio signal. So when they all come together and say it's moving, it is. Looks like we pull right back down again. We're really pushing against this higher high that we had. Plus, I'm giving it room to breathe here. As I said, the maximum I was willing to lose was $5. But so we are in profit at the moment, but we're going to see if we can push through this and continue up. So it has room to run. We just need the volume from the bulls to keep this going. At least I told you. That's funny. We'll see if it keeps going up. I want to see if it's going to keep moving up because this could be a fake out. The 20 is showing it's coming up to the 200 though, so it's probably going to break through. Lot size on LTC is 5.6. Cool, we just made profits. Congrats. Hi from Greece. Is it going to 21.5? Are you talking about Bitcoin going to 21.5? Right now, I think Bitcoin's going to be dropping on Monday. Hey, TikTok recruiter, thanks for following me. I do appreciate that. Yeah, I would say right now that come Monday, the word is that it's going to drop. But again, that's just, people talking. But we will see. But on TradeXN, you can short. So I can make money going down with it. I don't care. Or I can make money going up. That is one of the benefits of TradeXN, is you can make money going both directions. So, and it has no fees and a low spread. And it also does have an affiliate link. If you sign up for TradeXN, and you use an affiliate link to give to other people, then you can make money from the link. So just one more cool little add-on to it. If you do want to try out TradeXN, please use my link. I would really appreciate that. It does help me. I don't charge for the information I'm giving here, but I do like the benefit from my links. That's a way of kind of paying me for my time. So if you can do that, that would be great. Hey Rico, what's going on? I don't know if I can really show them how to get the link. Other than if you click on the link in my bio on TikTok, then you should see the link. If not, if you see a blank screen, then there's three dots in the right top corner. You click on that and then open in browser, and that will get you over to my links. You can also go to future linktree.com/future capital, and it will get you over there as well. But it is for Linktree is linktr.com/future capital. So you could type that in as well if you need to, but you should be able to use the link in my bio. That'll get you to TradeXN. It'll also get you to the range bars. You'll see FCT range bars that I have up there. Again, those are for free. And then I have a link for TradingView, and that's free for you for 30 days for a trial if you want to check it out. And then I do have my Discord as well. And I have a whole bunch of training videos. I have a whole bunch of trading videos on how to use TradeXN, how to use the range bars over in my Discord. So if you go here, you go to training videos. So I have a whole bunch of videos here on how to use all this stuff. I took the time to write them out, to make them for everybody. So again, if you want to check that out, just go to the link in my bio. So hopefully that does work for you. So it's a newer Discord too. I've got 35 people in my Discord as of now, so that's newer. But we are growing every single day. So if you'd like to be part of that community, learn more, we do give free information all the time to each other. There is no cost to use it. Some have premium accounts, to get special privileges or whatever. I don't do that. But yeah, if you'd like to be part of that group, no more, definitely come over to the Discord. Currently with LTC USD right now, it broke up a little bit, and then now it looks like it's pushing back again. This is more of a resistance line there than I thought there was. So it's definitely pushing right here. Yeah, there's pretty strong resistance line there. So I don't know if it's going to break through it or not. But I do have a stop loss in place as part of my risk management. I use 1 to 2% of my account. I treat it like a business and protect my capital. And I have a stop loss in place. The minimum that I was willing to lose is $5. So I'm letting the market move and not just come down and knock me out, which it did get pretty close. But the 20 and the 200 EMA are getting real close to each other right now. I do expect it to cross. If it does, it's going to ride up and I'll be in profit. So we'll see how this plays out for us. Yeah, honestly, sometimes on the weekend, there's actually some good volume. And really, I think it's because of Monday. That's really what I think is happening is people are freaking out about Monday, and so everybody's on here putting money on, taking money off, making plays. So I think they're all betting on what's going to happen for Monday. What time is it? I am going to jump off here at 10. I have to come back on for a Discord meeting a little bit later, but I have to go run some errands before then. So I'll just be on here for the next couple of minutes. Again, you guys, if you like what I've been showing you, I am trading on TradeXN. Again, no fees, low spreads. Also has an affiliate link if you end up using TradeXN. Please use my link in my bio. I would appreciate that. It does trade crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. And then up top here, again, like I said, these are range bars. These move off points, not time, and they are free to use. They don't cost anything. Again, the link is in my bio for that. You'll see FCT range bars. So it just quiets the market, right? You can see it's either red or green. It's pretty simple. And you're just looking for that reversal is what you want. And I trade 50 to 100 points per trade. Each bar is worth 15 points. So you're looking for 5 to 10 bars, and that is a trade. So again, I appreciate you guys. Thank you again for all of the likes. That is very awesome. It really helps out my algorithm. Anytime it's over 1,000, like it gets me toward like that. I have 13 people in here right now. If it's like low, I don't get anybody. But having you guys hit those like buttons definitely contributes to me. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you'll see the little star in the upper part of your screen there. That does give some little extra perks to my live. For you guys, you get like little extra icons and stuff that you can put on the screen and whatnot. So if you like, check that out too. I said that doesn't cost you anything to sign up for that subscription. Hey AJ, did you ever sign up for my YouTube? Oh, that does remind me, you guys. I am trying to get my YouTube channel up and running to go live. Because I've been hearing that TikTok could get shut down by the US maybe at some point, and so I'm trying to keep my lives going. I want to do that by going over by using YouTube, but I need 50 subscribers. So if you guys could subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be really, really great. I don't want to lose this, what I'm doing. I want to keep teaching people, but I need to be able to go live. So listen, I need to get up to 50 subscribers on YouTube. The link, again, it's in my bio. Can you find my strategy in the Discord? Yeah, you can. Yeah, BPAC. Just go to my Discord. You can go to my videos. It says find training videos here. That has all of my videos that I've made on how to use all this stuff. So definitely come check that out for sure. But yeah, if you guys could please follow me on my YouTube channel, that would be great. Again, the link is in my bio. So I'll give you guys 3 more minutes to go over onto that and to click on the link. But yeah, so I would appreciate that to get it to grow for sure. I need to remember to keep talking to everybody about it so I don't forget. I really hate for the U.S. to pass a bill and then knock out all the lives that I do. I've done a lot of work to get my Discord up, to get people on here to talk to them, and to grow this family. And I need to keep my lives going. So using that YouTube will be my other outlet for sure. I've heard about Twitch, so I may try Twitch as well. Rico, what are you talking about? So USDC is not available to buy. You can use if you can't use USDC, then use Bitcoin. Yeah, use BTC. Just make sure that the end of it is the same for both sides. So it's either like ERC20 or BEP20, depending on where you're at. So verify that is the same on both sides. Hey, Q Lady, thank you for subscribing very much. Appreciate you. Yeah, I'm just trying to get that up to 50 so I can go live on that as well, just in case they shut down TikTok. I'm gonna look at Twitch too and see if I can do that too. Oh, you subscribed to? Oh yeah, to YouTube. Did you subscribe to my to the TikTok here up top too? Oh, it shows one user. If you look up top here, there's a little star. If you click on that subscribe, it gives you little extras when you're on my live. It gives you little extra icons and stuff, I guess, that you can use, like little stars and stuff. You can't afford it. It doesn't cost anything. As far as I know, the one other guy subscribed, he said it didn't cost anything. Can you check that for me just to see? I mean, you can tell me if it does or not, but as far as I knew, that subscribe doesn't cost anything. It should tell you, but I don't believe it does. $8.49 a month? Oh, really? I didn't know that. So never mind. Forget it. I'm not asking you guys to pay out of pocket for anything. I didn't know that. Um, cool. Okay. I don't. Yeah, that's crazy. That literally doesn't cost. It doesn't. It doesn't help me any. So you'd just be paying TikTok for that. That's dumb. Never mind. Thank you for checking though. I won't even push that anymore. I had no idea it was going to cost that. Especially if I'm not going to benefit from it. I'm not going to, hey, just pay TikTok for what? That's dumb. Yeah, never mind. Cool though. Thank you guys for looking into that for me because I didn't know. All right, we are in profit on LTC USD. Hopefully this will continue up. I'm getting tired of this freaking side trend. Hey, JPK, thank you for saying that. Yeah, okay. Q Lady, thank you for looking into that for me. Do appreciate you. Hey, Q Lady, by the way, in the Discord, we will be going live in the Discord in, I think, in like an hour or two. And we're going to be talking about this next week's charts and stuff. If you want to come over and check that out a little bit later on. Me and Appalachie Hillbilly will be both in there talking about all the charts and all that. So, yeah, so just I'll let everybody know that I'm online. I'll do it at everyone. So you guys know I've popped on, and then we'll start doing that. But I do got to run, you guys. I have some errands I got to take care of. But I will be in the Discord later. Again, if you guys want to join the Discord, just hit the link in my bio. And I will catch you guys later on. So if you want to see those the live later in my Discord, again, hit the link in my bio, join the Discord, and we'll be talking about charts and all that stuff for the upcoming week. All right, guys, thanks again for your time, and I will see you later.